Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is such an exciting video. It is my first makeup collaboration. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am collaborating with none other than Pure Anada. They are based here in Manitoba, so Winnipeg, but they're in Morden, so they're just kind of outside of Winnipeg. I'm so excited because I have been searching and I've been wondering like what is actually in makeup, and I love the fact that they make their own makeup here where I'm from in Canada, which is very, very rare because there's a lot of makeup brands that are not, made here and they're not cruelty free. Yeah, so basically Pure Anada is made in Canada, certified organics, cruelty free, gluten free, and non-GMO. So how amazing is that? So I wanted to share some of my top picks that I wanted to try out from Pure Anada, and let me tell you, this is by far the best makeup I've ever worn in my life. So with that being said, this collaboration could have not have happened if I did not meet Tiffany, who is absolutely amazing. I love you so much. She kind of took a chance on me and I'm so thankful and grateful for her. So I wanted to share a couple of my favorites that I picked out from their website. But yeah, with enough of me rambling, let's get into this video. Let's get into my amazing makeup and haul and everything like that. So yeah, let's get into it. So to start things off, first things first is Pure Anada. As I already mentioned, they are made in Morden, Manitoba, here in Canada, which is amazing. So one of the top picks that I picked from them is this blush. Okay, so if you are wondering what kind of blush to get from them, you should get Pure Anada's blush in Tender Twig. So this is the color, and it is absolutely stunning. This is the color right here. It is so gorgeous. It is the perfect mauve-y kind of color. I will demonstrate it to you guys. So you don't barely need a lot. You just need to dab a little bit, and you can put it on with like a soft hand and it gives you some color, or you can put it on with a heavier hand, how I do, and there's the blush. Like, it is the perfect blush. It's buildable. It is a gorgeous shade. Like, it is the staple, and no wonder it is the top selling blush that they own, and I believe it. So that is Tender Twig blush. You need to have it in your life. And these pressed blushes, they are $12. It's only $12 Canadian. That is amazing to me. So next thing is actually this little guy. This one is in Lustrous, and they have ethereal highlighters, and this one is more of the goldy shade, more of like a champagne kind of color, whereas the ethereal pinky white kind of tone. So I'm just going to demonstrate here. So it comes on a little sifter, and it is absolutely to die for. Like, oh my gosh, like, can we talk about it? So gorgeous. And it blends so nice, and it's the perfect pop for your cheekbone. I am loving this. I'm all about this loose pigment. Like I said, they make them, and like the whole, like, when you look on the website, it is so beautiful, so gorgeous. Like, I cannot get enough of this makeup, you guys. Like, I am always looking out for new brands, or just brands that are actually like are made with love and care, and they glide on great, and they're affordable. Let's talk about that. This highlighter is only $12, you guys. $12, and that's Canadian. That is like so ridiculously inexpensive. So I want to move on to lipsticks. I'm so excited. We're gonna start with this first lipstick, but first of all, can we talk about packaging? How gorgeous is this packaging? And it says it's monogrammed with PA. How cute. So this one is in the shade Carnation, and it is a luster kind of finish, as you can see here, and it is absolutely stunning. Like, it is the perfect topper, shine, and perfect for spring and summer if you don't want a crazier look or lipstick look. So that is Carnation. And can I add that these lipsticks are $14. $14. That is so cheap, in my opinion, for the quality, and they don't smell weird, don't smell fruity. They actually smell like a lipstick should. It shouldn't be too powerful, they smell really good. They don't have like they basically don't have a smell, but they just don't smell like a minty or like a cotton candy or like a vanilla or anything like that. They smell great. So the next color is the color I'm actually wearing right now. And it's in the shade Promenade. Again, the packaging. And this one is more of a matte kind of lipstick. So as you can see, it's right here. It is a gorgeous pinky nude. It is one of my favorites. And I saw it and I was like, I need to have this in my life. As you can see, oh, such a beautiful color, you guys. Like so beautiful. That is Promenade. That was one of my favorites. Carnation is one of their top sellers as well. And like I said, they are $14. Like, amazing. Moving on to one of their newest items, and that is Pure Anada came out with some certified organic lip and cheek tints. They're 100% natural ingredients, and they're Canada's first EcoCert Cosmo certified organic lip and cheek tint. So with that being said, that is a mouthful. They're called Rouge because they were inspired by 7 amazing women. This is kind of like the little pamphlet that they came out with, or that was inspired by them. So they had Abigail Becker, they have Charlotte Small, Nellie McClung, Isabella Crawford, Harriet Tubman, Lucy Maud Montgomery, and of course Viola Desmond. So they're all inspired by women who paved the way for us women to have a better life. So inspiring. I chose Nellie McClung because I actually did read her book in high school, which is so crazy. This is the little packaging here. So it comes in these little guys, and these are $20. You do get quite a lot of product considering the amount. So you do get 5 grams, and like this is a multi kind of faceted product. It is a lip and cheek tint. So let's show you the color. Oh my god, like how gorgeous is that color? It is the perfect nude for fair and light skin tones. So, you know, I don't have my spray tan on. So we're just gonna go ahead and put a little bit on, and it's so gorge. Oh my god, so pretty, so pretty. I love it. And it's perfect. And like, look how cute the packaging is. It's pink. So yeah. I also forgot to mention, these are the lovely ladies that paved the way for us. So by purchasing one of these, you are supporting the women and girls in crisis funds. These are all the shades, and they have like the colors and everything. Yes, they are cruelty free. They're made here in Morden, Manitoba. And with this collaboration, I am so excited. This is my first discount code like ever to share. I'm so speechless. But anyways, it is Lifestyle Leslie 10. So you save 10%, and no, I do not make any commission or percentage or anything like that. This is a gift from me to you. So with that being said, you save 10% on $25 or more. So you can get 2 of these lipsticks and you get 10% off. Like, how amazing, right? Or if you spend $50, you get free shipping. That's it, like free shipping. And that's it. Like, how amazing. Like, I cannot wait to film and share this video with you guys. Like, I am so grateful for you guys and thankful and just appreciative that Pure Anada is the amazing brand that they are. Like I said, I'm just so looking at product and skincare and things that are good for you, and just for my kids, you know, growing up, like I want them to know what's in makeup, what is in product. I think that is so important. And with this brand, I feel so comfortable knowing that they are true to their word. Their makeup is amazing. It is so smooth, so creamy and buttery, and just like, it's worth a try. I don't know. I'm just letting you guys know that's how I feel. Yeah, that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you guys got a feel for Pure Anada, and make sure you go check them out on Instagram. I'll leave everything linked down below, their website, the products that I mentioned. And like I said, I am not making any commission on this. I swear to you, I'm not making anything out of it. It was just kind of a collaboration, give back, just to let you guys know that I love you guys so much, and I hope you appreciate this makeup as much as I do. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for clicking on it. Thank you for subscribing to me. Thank you for supporting me and just being amazing. Everything does not go unnoticed. So with that being said, I'm going to leave you here, and I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you liked it, comment below on what you are going to try from Pure Anada. That would be great. That code is on for a while, so make sure you get your hands on some good product. I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Such a great collaboration. I'm so thankful for them. You have no idea.